Here we have the old black Monte Carlo that used to sit in my backyard. I've had it running for a while. I've just been too lazy to get the camera out and record anything about it. But I gotta go to town this morning, so I figure I'll do finally a cold start for it. I might do a video later of that thing. It's got sounds like a knock, or sounds like a rod knock, but I'm not really 100% sure. So we might crank that one up later today or tomorrow, and see if I can get y'all's opinion on it. So that'll work.